Hello everyone, welcome back to Coffee with BlueOC. I'm Ling, the host of the show. Every engineer starts from somewhere, and for most of us, the journey begins in the classroom, and the biggest lesson will come till we live it. And today's show, we will have the join from 3 students come from Nanyang Technological University, and welcome us.
Hello.
So you guys have been spending a whole summer for the internship at BlueOC, and can you guys introduce a little bit about yourself and your field, the study fields, to the camera?
So hello, I'm Ivan. I'm currently studying interaction design in NTU. Right now, I'm interning as a software engineer that's doing robotics.
Hi everyone, my name is Wen Hong. I'm currently doing a math and computer science in NTU, and my position is also a software engineer doing robotics.
I'm Jovi. I'm currently studying business and computer science at NTU. My position here at BlueOC is a full stack web development.
So you guys have been spending like about 3 months in here, right? Yeah. So, what the difference with your first expectations when you come with BlueOC and now?
I first came to BlueOC, I was worried that there would be a huge language barrier. Yeah, but after spending some time here, I realized that a lot of people are very fluent in English and has a very diverse languages. So there's a team that can speak fluently in Japanese, and I was very impressed that.
For me, I think I had an impression that BlueOC was very highly corporate kind of company, but I was pleasantly surprised to learn that actually is quite everyone is quite friendly and very inclusive even when they are having interns from other countries that speak a different language. Yeah.
I think for me, before I first joined BlueOC, I didn't really expect to for the team to really let me touch on real code and the actual product that is being shipped to customers. But yeah, when I first reached from the first day, they really treated me like a real team member, and they really taught me about how the real code infrastructure works, which I think is really beneficial for me. Yeah.
So basically, I can understand that you guys all have the real experience as the member in BlueOC, right? And you can practice in the real project with the mentor come from the PM provided by BlueOC team. So I can understand that there is so differences with their academic knowledge come provided by the school and their real practice in their internship. So do you guys spot some key point about the differences between in their school, in the university, and in their workplace? What's the difference you guys can see?
For me, I feel that in the classroom, what you tend to learn more is the concepts and a lot of the knowledge building blocks to solve certain problems in your domain. But working in the industry, what I feel is that the business is more important, in that a lot of the engineering solution and all have to depend on the business. What are the plans that the business want to push out to engineer, to create, and to prototype.
For me, I think in school there was never a confusion or doubt on how or where you should get your resources. And when I come to work, I realized that actually obtaining resources is more important than learning what the resources. So my main takeaway would be to learn how to find information and methods to learn instead of just learning the substance.
Yeah, I think for me the main difference is for school, if you were to do your own project, I think the code base and the company's code base is really very different, because for example, you have to worry about how to scale your app, which I don't think you can really touch on if you were to do a project of your own scale, like a small scale one. Yeah, so I think that being put into a real business environment, right, is something that you cannot truly get or experience from school. Yeah.
So it's need to be more flexible in
Yeah.
your learning career, right? Yeah. So I wonder that in BlueOC you need to work across the team, and you also work across the departments. For example, you need to work with business department as well. And because you guys work in the technical team and they didn't, they work in their business department, so there might be some conflict between us. So do you guys have met any challenge, and how you can address that challenge?
I think there's for sure a very big technical understanding between the business side and the developers, right? So I think how we can bridge that gap or that understanding is through very clear documentation. Like the technical team or the developer should always document how each part of the code works, especially when it's a greenfield feature that nobody knows about, so that the business or the project managers is able to follow along. Yeah.
For me, I'm an intern, so I have my manager and the client. So for now, I do not have I do not have to directly answer to the client. So I have the manager as my intermediate personnel, and he, from what I observed, he would break it down into plain terms to communicate with the clients to see if the understanding is the same as compared to just saying all the technical terms. So I think to just break things down simply and make sure everyone is on the same page is the key. Yeah.
I mean, I have not much things to add. Yeah. I think the documentation part is quite important, and it's important in that it's not just maybe talking to the business people, but also when you are collaborating with developers or future developers who will be joining the team, or future people from different domains that are joining the team. They will need a way to get updated about the project, and that's where I think it's very important to have clear communication channels that has been established in the team.
I want to ask this question because I understand when you do an internship, the thing that you get not only about the skill, about the hard skill, about the knowledge in your domain, but also the soft skills that you learn from workplace. So it's happy to hear that you guys can learn a lot about the communication skill, and the workflow skill is also important. We already get enough information about your internship have been, and we could come to relax part that I have bánh bò in here to invite you guys to try. Have you tried this before?
No.
Okay, you can join. How does it feel?
Wow, it reminds me of a cake from my home.
Texture is very chewy. Yeah, and it blends well with sauce, the coconut. Coconut, yeah, coconut sauce.
It reminds me of kueh lapis. Yeah, you can search that out.
Next, we will move on to part 2, the most exciting part, and today we will have the game, like truth or dare games, and we have the wheel in here. I will click to choose a number, and then each people in here will answer that question in 60 seconds, or if they cannot answer in that time, they will have the dare that we will keep it secret.
Boom boy.
If AI suddenly disappear tomorrow, what part of the work would become the most hardest?
Probably the coding part, because I think the engineers nowadays are not really focused on syntax. Rather, yeah. So if you ask to if you were to ask a developer to code from scratch, I don't think they will be able to code from scratch because we are more focused on like system design and like really orchestrating the entire application instead of like writing the actual code. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, all the questions so serious one. I thought it's gonna be like who do you hate in the office or something.
So the first questions is about if someone you follow you around for a day, what part of your life surprised them the most?
Like a day in my like BlueOC. My whole day. Oh. I think they'll be surprised that I was trying to like in the early like the first few weeks or first 2 weeks of the intern, I was trying to like work something out that I didn't go for a plan that we interns plan to go, and then I was just like doing work. Yeah. Very politically correct.
Like portray Singaporeans as workaholics.
Yeah.
I'm not workaholic. Guys, I'm not workaholic.
One moment during the internship that you probably still remember 5 years from now. Like something happened that you will remember forever. 5 years at least.
Not really like part of the work, but it's me and then also the Vietnamese colleagues. We had a nights out, and then we were like a lot of us, and we were drinking and having fun. That experience is really is
You enjoy it.
yeah, I will cherish that moment, because it feels like I'm part of them, in that sense.
See the picture in the BlueOC.
There is there is
Question number 4 will be something that you experienced in Vietnam and you will bring that habit back to Singapore. So, which type of habit? Do you create new habit?
Habit.
Yeah, new habit that you will bring back.
No.
So thank you for sharing your story with us today and enjoying the game. And thanks to everyone for watching us and staying coffee break with us today. We will see you in the next special Coffee with BlueOC. Bye.